RISI, essential information for the forest products industry. RISI home point header text left curly bracket width 465 px height 8 px padding 41 px 000 float left color number 929 ab2 text transform uppercase font family Arial sans font size 6.5 pints font weight bold right curly bracket. The leading information provider for the global forest products industry. Press room about contact advertise. Client logging by online. E-magazine. Tech channels. Automation and it. Chemicals. Environment. Mill main point / upgrades. Paper making. Power and energy. Pulping. Tissue. Transportation. Blog. Events. Industry jobs. Marketplace. Toolkit. White paper library automation and it. Chemicals. Paper making. Mill main point / upgrades. Power and energy. Pulping. Environment. Forums. Premium content. Pulp and paper. News. Markets and prices. Forecasts and analysis. Industry data. Mill intelligence and cost benchmarking. Wood products. News. Markets and prices. Forecasts and analysis. Historical data. Cost benchmarking and mill intelligence. Timber. News. Markets and prices. Forecasts and analysis. Historical data. Timberland intelligence. Bioenergy. Tissue. News and markets insight. Forecasts and analysis. Mill intelligence. Nonwovens. Newsletter. Market prices. Pulp and paper news. Knock up $5 for U.S. Northeast mills, off $5 in Southeast, while out drops $10 in South. Generation called Soso Eldorado seeks funding for 2017 multi-million tons / pulp line in Tres Lagos. Brazil summer lull puts downward pressure on oil prices in Europe. ASK price rebound in China prompts sellers to push for hikes in rest of Asia. Packaging paper box demand to heat up from September in Brazil. Prices likely to move up. Wood and timber news. Western lumber production in July up 6.1% from June. Both fixed and adjustable mortgage rates rise during the most recent week. CP very uncomfortable with reconfigured carbon credit program by European Commission. Latest price indices. Graphic paper, recovered paper, paper packaging and board, pulp, crows lumber and structural panel composite, southern pine stumpage wood biomass price index. North America. Asia. Europe. Learn more about RISI's coverage of markets prices for pulp, paper, wood products, timber. Blog. Why the market balance delays for Asian printing writing papers. Li Meng, economist, Asian graphic paper, RISI. After experiencing a tough year in 2012, Asian printing writing paper markets have still received no relief from the sluggishness thus far in 2013. This is reflected in the weak pricing in Hong Kong. Read more. Featured article. Graphic paper in the 21st century. RISI's recent seminar in the future of graphic paper highlighted that new media and print can work alongside each other for the future, and showed a more optimistic view in innovation and continual environmental awareness. Read more. Events. Tech channels. Automation and it. Cascades unveils its new website. Carolina Container expands NTEX revolutions per minute module to a second plant in Hickory, North Carolina. Chemicals. Imaris examines feasibility of divesting 4 calcium carbonate industrial sites to Amaya. Chemi receives approval for its fenicide 145 biocide to be used as lumicide in process waters. Paper making. Tissue retailers and distributors insight forum to focus on retail and distribution channels at Tissue World Americas 2014 in Miami, March 18th to 21st. Future Mark Paper launches Future Jet High Recycled, Coated Digital Inkjet Paper. Mill maintenance / upgrades. Voice offers New World